All right, here we are for Cleveland Moto video number 2 of the new Moto Guzzi 1400 Eldorado with the Agostini exhaust. These are handmade exhausts made in Italy for the Moto Guzzi California line. We're going to go ahead and start the bike. This is with the DB killers removed. So obviously for my money, you don't have to wonder which ones I like better. I will be running mine with the DB killers removed.